Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of videos in which we are showing you how you can build up a dashboard for tracking your missed salah and mm, uh, so in this session we are going to show you how to build this dashboard from scratch, right? So starting point is simply downloading the file, the link of which is given in the comment section, in the description. Yeah, and you can download it and save it in your local drive, and then open it, right, with the macro enabled, right? And the next thing you do is you rename it, you save it as a different name. For example, I have changed the name of the file. You can have any name. You can choose uh, any name, any meaningful, purposeful name for from that should include at least the name of the person for whom you are making this dashboard, right? So I have used it for Abdullah, for example. So the first thing is this, and then I deleted all the top rows, and I have taken the 1st January 2019 as the first day where he should start praying, right? And he has, and assuming that he has actually started praying somewhere after 2022 or 2023, right? So, so until, so from 1st January 2019 until the December 2021, these are the prayers. Some 14,000 prayers were due, of which he has uh, just prayed 8,000. Right. So the backlog of 6,384. So let me show you that how we do it. Right. Uh, so I have deleted the rows which were the other file was starting from 1960, 70 or something like that. So I deleted this. So making sure that the first date should be the date when the mandatory salah have become compulsory for him. So that is take that, for example, it is 1st January 2019. Okay. So the rest, the due will be exactly unchanged. It will like this, and uh, uh, suppose that he did not perform until the uh, 11th of December, right? 11th of December 2021. Uh, Maybe people means this is the date when he started praying regularly, and he's regular, right? So so this is what we have done. And the rest of the procedure is unchanged, means it always take care that any next day it will be marked that all his due prayers have been prayed duly, and there is no missing any further since he has made the tawbah, right? Okay, if we, for example, delete this, right, what would happen as soon as the file is open, and so this macro will run, so it will make these entries automatically, right? Okay, so the job of tracking is left for how many? 6,003 for 450 prayers, right? Fair enough. The next is, for example, he puts uh, top few or missed salat performance is done manually. For example, one he prayed for, say, example, on 20 on say 20 of July, right? That's it. Then and he covered all these, for example, like this, okay? And he did the sixth prayer here. Okay, so this is the starting a few one, right? The next is now you are able to do this the normal procedure that if you want to perform the missed salat performance recording. So what you are going to do is put your cursor on the first place available in the D column and do the double click. When you do double click, you will be asked how how many days. For example, he says that 5 days he has prayed. Okay, so it will automatically use 21, right? So on 21st of July, he did 5. Okay, so this how the system has the system will start working, and it will keep you it will keep showing you the status as we showed you in our previous videos, right? So this is how you create from the scratch for anybody. For anybody can use it for his own self, for his own name the file in your name, delete the top ones, uh, top rows, and follow this pattern. And later on, all you need to do is just double click and start entering your performance of salah. For example, someday you play 4, okay, and you say 4. So that is, of course, after the 21st of July. So 22nd, right? And 4 prayers have been recorded. This is how it is working, and now it is the rest of the job of fidya calculation will remain unchanged. There is no change in it, no change in all these formulas and etc. All you need to do is just delete the unwanted rows from the original file and start doing the job. You can delete the graph as well, but it will reappear as soon as you do the double click. So it will come again. If you see if you see, so this will create a graph again for you. For example, you do double click. Yeah. So you will see the graph will reappear, showing you the place where you can start entering the salat. And here you do the double click and say, for example, 5 salah you did, and the figures will be updated and the graph will be updated, and it will give us. So no need to do much typing in it, and it will assist you as an assistant to keep a record of your qada salah performance. And then to motivate your own self, you have to pay attention to Quran, what Quran is saying. Pay attention to the scholars who deliver the speeches to advise the people how important it is to remain punctual in performing of the salah, right? So, and there are some very good sources in which you get the motivation. You listen to this, for example, the people are asking that a mother who used uh, to advise his child, his son, to uh, be punctual in salah and leave the smoking and do and adopt the good behavior, leave the sinful lies, etc. So the so these stories are good for they have the word of wisdom, and the people get motivated with by reading this, and uh, they adopt the right path. So this helps to come us to the right path before it's too late. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.